This is the vertical lift and reach challenge. Lift, dump, reach, dump. All skid steers worth their salt do it. So why all the fuss about having the highest vertical lift and reach? Simple. The higher the lift and further the reach, the easier it is to load dump trucks and hoppers. A combination of higher vertical lift and further reach allows the bucket to clear the edge and dump the full load into the center of the receptacle. Lift and reach is calculated by measuring the distance from the cutting edge of the bucket at full lift height at max dump angle to the front of the machine, as seen by the example in this diagram. This determines vertical lift and reach. Let's see who comes out on top. First up, Deere. Next, Caterpillar. Now, Bobcat. And last but not least, Case. Let's recap the results. Case comes out on top